Pentecostal Network Pennet Program Clear to Te Lalpai Swaming in Chibai Ule Tunkar Chunga North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna Chanchin Thar Clear in Lawngai Thang U February ni Swampariat Thornton ni hi North East India UPC Kohhran Missionary Masaber Reverend Ellis Luther C. Ziman Mizoram Alaulu ni ania Heni hi Kohhran chuan Kohhran ni poimo puangin UPC General Headquarters Office District Office Kohhran Zirna in Bookstore Bible College le Kohhran hun poimo dangte kharvek ani Heni hi twal chung Kohhran ten manirem chandan angin anmang mai thina kumin hian twal chung Kohhran tamjok chuan zan lama hlim takin hun anmang ani Reverend Ellis Luther C. Zimhian pathian hena tengin India Rama missionary tura kauna dongin kumsang khajakwa somli pariat khan India Ram aron luta adur Kerala a Bible School dinin bul atana Mizoram ma mihim hote ne na rongbol mek RA do verite nen in Bechavin ni sompariat thani sang khajakwa somnga inrinia khan Mizoram aron thlenga munchang sanga tharau thiang lim na tho awanga ti du dale nek chep na tuarte chu ho khomin ni sompakwa thani sang khajakwa somnga pathiania UPC Kohhran hidin anita ani he Kohhran baptisma changma saberle pastora tana lakma sakber chu puja kamlawa ani Kohhran din tira member record masaber kumsang khajakwa somnga a member sangthum ni in tundin huna North East India hwamchunga hian member noi khatchuang an omto ani Report Buthar Bera Alandani North East India UPC hwamchunga hian District Sompakhata Kohhran member noi khat sangli zariat somriat pakwa an ommeka chung ko singhi sanga zanga somni pasari omin twal chung Kohhran zasari somli pasari le Kohhran puitlinga lahlan kailo preaching point za somni pani a ommek bok India Marthak State changchang baka Odisha Delhi Kolkata Andaman and Nicobar Island Bhutan le Bangladesh Rama missionary tirin rawngbawlna athokal mek ani General Shwai to the program ngai thak chunjomila General Missions Director Reverend Arlal Hoy chuan February ni somni atanga ni somni pali chunga Churachandpur District Missions Conference rengkai venga nei mek chumhan puin pathiani jing le jana thusoi rawngbawlna aneyang General Sunday School Director Reverend Arlai Chingpuya chuan February ni somni pathum le ni somni pali chunga Bairabi Bialin Bial Hop Sunday School Seminar an bot saya resource person a tengin pathiani zan thleng hian rawngbawlna aneyang District Shangshang rawngbawlna Chanchin ngai thak chunjomila February ni sompanga atanga ni sompasari chungkhan lunglei district a Bial Pariat te chuan conference an hmanga February ni somparuk inrin ni khan ro relna anneya chungte chu Pangzol Bial Conference Voisom Thumpalina Khwang Hlum Lokala nei chu District Superintendent Reverend Arla Rosanga chuan ahmanpuya anro relzinga ramut be pui thak ni se thati ani a ramut nei na tur hi apila tuak ni in cheng sing hi sangsari zathum mu ani a treasurer te pola accountancy training nei ni se thati ani bok Theiriat Bial Don Lokala Theiriat Bial ti hian conference voisom ni pakwana himangin Luangmol Bial to Pastor Reverend B Kamlia the Chuan District Superintendent represent in Ahmanpuya anro rel langsar zinga Kohhran pui chuan Bial chunga rongbol tu boral an omin cheng sanga a inral thin ni se anti a Theiriat section chunga local tina Kohhran try to te anni nangaya term ni bak ni the ni to lo se tha anti baka district a thlentur thupoimo tak tak an ngai to ani Theiriat Bial LED te chuan Bial to Pastor Quarters a carpet pha ni se anti baka Shangchal ko Urban Health Center a bench da veni se anti a Bial Hopin General Conference kalni se anti baka PIM support veni se anti bok Theiriat Bial Sunday School Department te chuan kum in sanghi sompako chung hian Bial Shwai tu ten kumpuan Kanfate ichan himang u ti chu local tina awareness campaign nei ni se anti a chungko a Sunday School kai kimten hena Bialin loman siam le ni se anti baka local tina seminar nei ni se anti bok Thingsai Bial tarphau local nei Thingsai Bial conference voisom ni na chu lungsen Bial to Pastor K Vanal Shwaya chuan ahmanpuya Bial Kohhran pui chuan Bial chung local tina leadership training kam seminar nei ni se anti a Pastor Quarters chei thatnan cheng sing thum ro man ani bok Thingsai BLPYD te chuan CBC library a lekhabu donate ni se anti baka zirlai ti tha te choi moi ni se anti bok BLLD te po in Bible ral chan siam ni se anti baka pastor quarters ada turin sofa set chu plan atan nei ni se anti BL Sunday School Department te chuan district athen tur thupoi mo tak tak an ngai to abok Troy pui BL Puk pui BL to pastor Reverend P Singh Haklena chuan district superintendent represent in Troy pui BL conference voisom ruk pakhatna thwal thu local aneya ahman puya BL kausham pui te chuan kumsang hi som paku chungin seminar bot sai ni se anti a kumsang hi som paku chungin BL chung local changshanga Christian chung kwati thupuya manga campaign ne ni se anti baka na kumsang hi som hi BL conference na munatan molcheng south local ni se anti bok Sertlang pui BL Rasiveng BL to pastor Reverend Sila Shelpuya chuan district superintendent represent in Sertlang pui BL conference voisom li pani na Trump pui local nei hi ahman puya BL kausham pui chuan BL chung local tina account vondan inzirtir ni se anti a BL shwai tu ten antarm chungin pastor howin financial campaign local tina nei ni se anti baka na kumsang ni som ni BL conference chu Sertlang puya nei ni se anti bok BL Sunday School Department te chuan BL chung local tin ten kumsang ni som paku chungin mani local chewa seminar nei ni se anti a sang ni som paku chungin BL Sunday School rally nei ni se anti baka sang ni som pakwa atanga sang ni som ni term chungin BL Sunday School try to ten local tina Sunday School awareness campaign nei ni se anti bok BL Missions Department te chuan kumchan ve chunga target pe theilo tlak theilo local te hna financial campaign nei ni se anti baka district athen tur thupoi mo tak tak an ngai to bok Zolpui BL te hian bel theilo kala conference voinga na himmangin district missions director Reverend R Vanal enga chuan ahman puya BL kausham pui chuan kumin chungin BL shwai tu ten BL chung local tina financial campaign and accountancy training nei pui ni se anti a pastor quarters a sofa set da chu project atan nei ni se anti baka na kumsang ni som hi BL conference na munatan tuisen chwa local ni se anti bok na thial BL te hian na thial electric local a he BL conference hi an manga district secretary Reverend C Vanal ena chuan ahman pui Howlong BL district treasurer Reverend C Lalrin tuanga chuan Howlong BL conference zo tuitlang local nei ahman puya hlim takin hun an mang February ni somni pani atanga ni somni pali chung hian puk pui BL PYD le luangmol BL PYD te chuan BL conference an mang meka February ni somni pathum inrin nia rorel na an neyang puk pui BL ti hian speaker atan cheng pui home missionary evangelist Simon Amartu speaker atan an manga luangmol BL ti hian bolpui v home missionary evangelist Lalro khoma chu speaker atan an mang bokang February ni somni pariat atanga march ni thum chung hian United Pentecostal Church Lunglei District Conference voisom nga pali na chu ra siveng local UPC biak ina nei anidona General Treasurer Reverend Zongming Thanzama chuan ahman puyang February ni somni pariat jana he in khompui hi District Superintendent Reverend Arla Rosanga chuan honna aneyanga March ni khata Sunday School Department le Ladies Auxiliary Department and Rural na anneyanga March ni hnia kaushan puin rural na hi annei vele ang Conference thupuyatan hian pathian na tho puite kan ni Korinthon khat bungthum changkwa chuman anidona hengmi ti hian conference chung hian thu an soyang General Treasurer Reverend Zongming Thanzama Azul East District Superintendent Reverend Rosang Kolni Lunglei District Superintendent Reverend R. Lerosanga Lunglei District Sunday School Department Director Evangelist F. Lalmangayale Pukpui Bel to Pastor Reverend P. C. Haklena February ni somni pathum inrini hian Lunglei District Sertlang pui kaushan pui bot sain Church Board Member Zongzong le Department OB Zongzong tetan Leadership le Account Vondan ti thupui hangin seminar an bot saya Resource Person atan Bel to Pastor T. Zaminglia na an mang Aizol East District PYD Conference voisom ni pangana Silver Jubilee chu February ni sompali atanga ni sompasari chungkhan champhai Bethel Biala hlimtaka man ani he in khom pui hi bethel filta pandal fit za som thum le somria ta liana man ni in thupuya pathian be seiro sam number somli pani changa thu man ani February ni sompali ni nga zan khan Reverend Byak Sangzola District Secretary chuan pathian hena hlanna nein bel to pastoral mangai oma party hena tringin palai lom na thu ngai thak ani bok in khom pui tan zan khan jubilee made na Evangelist F Malsom tlanga District PYD Secretary chuan nein Evangelist JH Malsom donglena General PYD Secretary in Souvenir Tlangzar na anei thung February ni sompanga zir top ni nileng khan Paris Hall Reverend Arleton Kima President Kaishwain Palai mi zani chuangten rural income anneya heta hen secretary report le financial report ngai thak ani report atanga alandanin tuntin huna Aizol East District chunga bial somthum oma PYD member sangruk zasari somnga pali omin PYD hi khoza somthum pahnia din ani a PYD rawngbawlna atangin member sompani kaushana senglu anni member borel somni pali omin rawngbawlna license mi somsari pali ten an kolmek boka theological certificate kol mi somriat pakwa an oma thamon tu thalai chanchin bu hi member sangkhat zali sompali ten an labok ani district BYD hwai hian sub committee paruk kumpuan fundraising education music and sound baka environment protection le lakut puite omin anni malakna atang hian bele twal chung PYD ten na satakin ma an son mek zel ani rural income hian bial atang le official atangin agenda engi mozat lutin kumsang hi somni pathum income pui chu thingsul thlia biala nga ani a ruatcha angin kumsang hi somni pakhata sakordai biala man ani ang hengba ka hian income pui thleng tu tampui na ti pun ni in pandal saka chengnoi thumle pandal saklawa chengnoi ni to se ti ani a district chunga zirna indin ni se te ni in general PYD malakna ata maternity hospital din turati ani a conference fund cheng zathum ni mek chu cheng zanga ati punni bokin aizo khopui area ramlei ni se antibok ani rural income zo hian district board nei ngal ani a heta hian district conference in zirna indin ni se ati chu bo zui ngalin school establishment committee din ngal ani a district PYD education subcommittee ten zirchiang masa in chu an zirchian na chu establishment committee a thlenin annin zirchian le ni se anti baka kumsang hi sompako chunga subcommittee swang shwai tu tur ruat tharna heteng hian an nei bok subcommittee shwai tu te kumpuan chairman unaupa H Vanal Troya Trumpui bial secretary unaupa H KL nei sanga bongkon bial treasurer unaupa CS Laro Trama Upper Republic bial environment protection chairman twal upa R Vanal Ropeka Molpui bial secretary unaupa Lalnun Lima Trumpui bial treasurer unaupa Lal Engmoya Ral Te Zemabok bial education committee Chairman Unaupa R Vanal Peka District PYD Treasurer Secretary Unaupa Silaram Moya Bethlehem Bial Treasurer Unaupa JH Biak Diktuanga Upper Republic Bial Fundraising Committee Chairman Upa F Lalthangliana Bazar Bial Secretary Unaupa Laram Moya Bazar Bial Treasurer Unaupa Zawsangliana Trumpui Bial Music and Sound Committee Chairman Evangelist Sila Chwanga District PYD Vice President Vice Chairman Evangelist Sila Remrota District PYD Assistant Secretary Secretary Unau Palal Chan Hima Pentecostal Choir Conductor Treasurer Unau Nulal Thangyani Bongkon Bial Rural income nei chunghian pandala vantlang income nei ani a heta hian Evangelist H Lalbiak Zavan income kaishwain Evangelist HMS Donki Manhen tringin thucha ngai thak ani baka zaipol le malzai ngai thak ani bok zirtopzan income sub committee kumpuan le education ten loman semna anneya loman dong tu te kumpuan district kumpuan sub committee in te na shang asiamatanga Mala Chaber Loman Upper Republic Bialten Andonga Panhi na Bongkon Biale Pathumna Serchi Bialten Dongin Tual Chunga Pakhatna Penial Bongkon Bialni in Panhi na Amveng South Le Pathumna Bethlehem Veng Thangten Andong Bok Ani Education District Education Subcommittee in te na shang asiama changa mala chaber lo man bong kon bial ten dongin panhi na khozol bial pathum na serchi bial ten andong bok twal chunga pakhat na zema bok veng pui panhi na armed veng south ni in pathum na ratu veng pui ten andonga chingchi bial ten consolation prize andong bok February ni som paruk in rin ni nileng khan pandala fellowship lim tak nei ani a heta hian mal zai ba ka zai pol le Bethlehem bial PYD te ne na tengin drama mu nom tak thlir ho ani in rin ni zan khan upa kelan hun sanga kai shwain PYD thil tum soiral na nei ni in district PYD ten budget lak masalo man semna an neya champhai Bethel bial Zemabok bial le khoru lian bial ten dongin environment subcommittee ten essay inzia siak loman an sembok ani in rinizan in khoma hian PYD shwaina hnalo thok to le thok mek te hena choi moina citation hlan an ni bok pathiani choma in khoma khan Reverend Vanel Filaram tiam district treasurer kai shwain member boral sun na nei ani a heta hian mi somni pali te sun an ni pathiani chonua upalal felki ma kai shwain doctrine choiral na nei ani bok Tarlan to angin Aizol East District PYD in Khompuya hian thupuya pathian be seiro sam number somli panhi changa thu man ni in thupui hi then som lovin misang sang hne na tingin hetiang hian ngai thak ani ninga zana evangelist silal nun sanga serchi bial zirtop zana evangelist Laramza vale evangelist silal chwanga inrini zana pastor H Laro puyale upa arlal mangai zwala Pathiani choma a Reverend Rosang Kolni District Superintendent Pathiani chonua Evangelist Arvan Chunga Pathiani zana Reverend Arlal Tankima District PYD President Aizol East District PYD in Khompui hi akum somni pangana Silver Jubilee ani angin biashang shangatengin palai engemozat ankala palai kalzat hi chiang fakasha theilo ma se sangkha jangavel anni beisei ani a District PYD atangin Jubilee sharing na atan bookmark palai te hena hian semvek anni bok he in khompu hi General PYD shwai tu te baka North Mizoram District PYD shwai tu te le General PYD choir le North Mizoram District PYD choir ten telpui bokin pathiani chunu in khom ban khan ro sura wangin pandala harsanato ani a in khom nan arem chan tak lo awangin Bethel Community Hall churam muna pathiani zan khan in khom na nei ani thung ani Aizol East District Revival Committee ten advertisement an chuangin dil tu engemozat omzinga kumsang ni zom pako chunga tan hengmi te interview kaltangin revival speaker tan lak anni Evangelist Lalma Chwana Varte Molpui Penial Revival Team Evangelist H Lallimpuya Bethlehem Vengthang Crusaders for Christ Team Evangelist K Vanaldika Zemabok Vengpui Krista Aya Palai Team Evangelist Lalbiak Moana Zemabok Philadelphia Team Evangelist Vanelra Saka Swangpuilon Apostolic Herald Team Evangelist HMS Donkima Molpui Ebenezer Revival Team Heng Revival Team de hi twal chungle Bialten Rongbol Turin District Revival Committee kaltangin merge nikhat sangni sompakwa atangin somthe anni Aizol East District Missions Department Executive Committee tuan merge atanga April sangni sompako chunga tan hengmi te hi home missionary atan anlathara an omna muntur po siam fel ngal ni in District Mission Secretary hena joining report pe in monthly report thelu chintura ti anni home missionary lak tharle anomna muntur te unawnu sangkhumi Bible woman Kholian Bial Daidawa Unawnu Kelal Thanpari Bible woman Kholian Bial Phoibuanga Evangelist Laldu Omsanga Thingsul Khlia Bial Tuirini a Evangelist Larin Fela Khubung Bial Leisen Zawa Evangelist H Lalbiak Zawa Serchip Bial Lungphawa Evangelist Joseph Leremrata Rabung Bial Saizala Evangelist H Malsom Thanga Trumpui Bial Trumpui Vengthara Evangelist V Kamne Thanga Kohhai Bial Sial Hoka Evangelist TC Kap Zathanga Bethel Bial Zau Khothara Evangelist H Kelan Mangaya Naalan Bial Tual Zenga Evangelist Lel Thamwan Puya Swang Puilon Bial Lam Hera Evangelist Vanla Rosiama North Vanlai Phai Bial Lung Chwana Evangelist Vanla Ngaka Khozol Bial Twal Tea Heng missionary te hi biala anrong bol dan tur chu bial to pastor le bial missions director te nen Rahman na siam ni se ti anibok February ni somparia thotan ni khan khozol khwa a UPC North East India back in Upaber khozol veng pui back in sakthat na tur lungphum chu district superintendent Reverend Rosanga Kolni in aphum lungphum phum na hun toy man ni in Reverend Rosanga Kolni chuan leilung le achunga thil omzong zong hilal pa ta ani a kan pathian hian abyak buk sakhi remti in mal asom china biak buk hi ama ne na kanin pol na te milungai le harsat na tokten mal som na andon the na atan apoi mu em ani atibok khozol veng pui ko shan hian kumsa khazakwa samsari pathuma tanga anlu ato biak in huna hian biak in thar sak antum ani Aizawl East District try to the program Reverend Rosang Kolni District Superintendent Juan Chingchi Biala Hun Mangin Inrin Nizan Khan Chingchi Mal Pui Kaushana Rongbawlna Aneya Pathiani Nilai Hian Chiatlanga Kaushan Pathuma Rongbawlna Anei Leang Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary Juan Unaw pa lalthan ki mate chungkwa District Headquarters Kaushana Loiten Pathian Choimoina Anneya Inrin Nizan Atang Khan Speaker Atangin Rongbawlna Aneya Pathian Nizan Thleng Hun Man Aniang Reverend Vanal Filaram Tiam District Treasurer Chuan Khobung Bial Ten Bial in Khompui An Man Meka Man Puin Pathian Nizana Thusui Rongbawlna Aneyang Reverend Vanal Filaram Tiam Hian Khobung Biala Missionary Support Zongin Hun Amangal Don Ani February ni somni nilai ni khan Bethlehem Bial Sunday School Department bot sagin Harbon back in a Sunday School zirtir tu te Pauline Bial Hop Training Seminar hlotling takin an mang He seminar come training hi Reverend Arlai Chingpuya General Sunday School Director le Reverend C. Moizola Director Aizawl East District Sunday School Department ten an manpui ani He huni Evangelist Lelchwal Moya Zote Bethlehem Bial Sunday School Director Chuan Kai Shwain Chomma a Reverend C. Moizola zirtir tu te mo phurna le poimo na ti thupui mangin zirtir na ape a chonua Reverend Arlai Chingpuyan zirtir dan tur ti thupui mangin training ape bok ani he huna hian bial chunga tangin zirtir tu mi somnga vel kalin unaw nu lian thangpui hne na tangin fakhlanga ithlak ani a training kam seminar kalten hlok thak anti hle ani North Mizoram District Officer Meeting February ni som pathum ni lai ni khan District Superintendent Chambara nei ani Officer Meeting a hian North Mizoram District Conference Voice of Rukpakwana Durtlang MC Hola February ni som ni pariat atanga March ni thumthleng o tur program doangin Conference Thupuyatan Genesis bungsom panhi chang ni thu nangmal somna ni angche ti man ani Conference nei chunghian speaker atan Reverend Lalmal Somasailo General Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Chiarpuya District Secretary Reverend Lalram Thanga Konpui Evangelist Lalram Thara Sailo Upa Arlet Mangaya Bong Kon Kaushante Man Anidon Ani North Mizoram District Conference Voisom Rukpakwana chu Durtlang MC Hola February ni somni pariat ninga zana tanga March ni thum pathiani zan thleng mang man anidon Conference thleng tu tur Durtlang Bial te po anin boss saina in avor top athleng mek ani Durtlang Bial te hian District Conference Voisom Rukpakwana thleng tur hian Committee peng poimo shang Refreshment Committee Water and Sanitation Information and Publicity Reception Ushering Decoration, Security and Traffic, Medical Baka, Light and Sound Tedinin, Committee Pengtin Tepo in Conference Thleng Turin Anin Buat Sai Fel Thokat To Ani February ni somni Parukhian Bial Pum Huap Natlang Nei in February ni somni Pathum Hian Light Sound Le Decoration Ten Natlang Anneyang North Mizoram District Missions Director Reverend Sila Thantuang Ajuan General Missions try to te Rahman Angin Assam Mission Field a Nepal Para Field Conference Amanpuya Conference a hian speaker ni in Rongbawlna Missions Field Member ten an hlokpui hle a Revival ro pui tak athleng ani Field Conference February ni riat atangani som chung nei ani North Mizoram District chunga Pastor Bial somthum te chuan February ni riat atangani som Mangkhan Bial Conference Arwalin an manga February ni som pathiani jang khan tuang takin anzo Bial Conference rawngbawlna hian District Puipa te po in bial shang man puin, District Superintendent Reverend Laltuangan Zol Nuam bial man puin, District Secretary Reverend Thiar Puyan Sumsui bial, District Treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusangan Chaltang bial aman puibok, District Sunday School Director Reverend Kemal Somtuangan Tlang Nuam Bial Conference Sai Kamakona aman puibok. Bial Conference nei chung hian kumin sang hi som paku chunga bial shang te malak dan tu relin February ni kwa inrin nia conference rorel nein bial tin kum sang hi som paku chunga rawngbawlna konga bial malak dan tu shang te relin Pentecostal Kohhran ten thupuya nei anga chakle warzo commissionary na tho konga malak dan tur anrela district conference a chop chha tur agenda tur te anrel bok. Bial Conference nei bial somthupli hian zirtop zana tengin revival program mangin thupui big ne speaker roite omin bial shwai tu tele bial tu pastor te speaker ata na mangte po anom bok. February ni som panhi thole ni khan North Mizoram District LAD Conference Resolution Committee to District LAD President Unawnu PC la Romoi Bible Women ka shwain District LAD Conference Resolution Committee and Thukhom Resolution Committee hian District LAD Shwaitu Pathumbaka, District Puipa Pathum Reverend Laltuanga, District Superintendent Reverend Thiarpuya, District Secretary Reverend Kelal Dusanga, District Treasurer te Antela, Heibaka hian Kuminata Narwat, Din Thar Bial LAD President Unawnu Thanchung Nungile, Chaltlang Bial LAD President Unawnu Vanal Veni te Antel Bog. Resolution Committee hian kumin October ni somatanga ni som pathum chunge LAD conference a rorel tur agenda thirlok na le thithfim na nein conference agenda panga an chop chuakang. February ni som pariat thotan ni khan United Pentecostal Church Mizoram adin ni ani angin North Mizoram District Headquarters Kohhran te chuan inkhom ursun tak an bot saya mai cham bot saya tharau borok a tha in inkhom po an thahle ani. February ni som pasari pathiani zana tharawa tanga shiatirna don angin UPC din ni February ni som pariat zan inkhom ban hian baptist makhur hon ani a heta hian Reverend Zongming Thanjama General Treasurer UPC chuan rawngbawlna aneya Reverend Lalmal Somasailo General Superintendent in Tuihlan na anei boka mi panga in lalpa I swangping in swangai damnan baptisma anchanga tharau lam hlanen hlim takin hunan mang ani. North Mizoram District Missions Department Executive Rorel angin kumin sangne som poko puala missionary chomna le missionary support zonga fe chwa chu North Mizoram District huam chunga khopui belte fan chwa to ni in thingtlang lam swar me kani a district missions shwai tu tele fe chwa tur rawate atangin missionary chom tu mi zanga don mu to ni in missionary support tu tur mi thenhem tak an mu to bok. February ni som pasari pathiani zakhan North Mizoram District Headquarters Kohhran mi pui zongjong tan shiak thi rawngbawlna nei ani. He shiak thi inkhom nei hi Unawnu lazik pui Bible Women kaltanga pathianin athu apwan ni in chu Church Board Committee in Abozuya North East India UPC General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasailo chuan rawngbawlna nei in Kohhran mi puiten an hlutle. Shiak thi rawngbawlna nei zan hian Kohhran mi puite an kal thahle a tharau lamal somna po an dongbok. Rawngbawltu Reverend Lalmal Somasailo hi Reverend Zongming Thanjama General Treasurer le Reverend Laltuanga District Superintendent North Mizoram District ten an puya tharau lam hlata sa in pathian fakin an choi moi ani. He hun man atang hian tharawa khub zoi to le banwai thlato ten tharau thianghlim ompuina le polna thar dongin Kohhran te an hlim hle. Inri nikalta February ni sompali atangani somparuk chung khan North Mizoram District Missions Field somzinga field pakhat konpui chunga omra zali field a konpui bialten work camp nein back in tour ansa work camp a hian mi thenhem tak thok chuakin bial to pastor Reverend Silaram Thangan ahova back in bantur phun kim vek man ni in a thokhatna February ni somparuk inri ni khan anzo ani. February ni somparuk inrin ni khan aibok bial chung molung thu Kohhran Sunday School Hall sa in natlang nei chan ani. Aibok bial te hian molung thu Sunday School Hall sak natlang nei dan tur hi Kohhran in kop natlang nei turin rohman na ansiama group nia in thenin group khatna Falcon Kelsi Huangau munte thokin inrin ni khan mi somthum pariat lai member natlang thokchuak an oma natlang thoni na hi February ni somni pathum inrin ni han neile turni in group ni na aibok kaushan tele sate ek kaushan ten an thokchuak le ang leng pui bel chunga om dilzol mission felda missionary quarters sakna chu abial nei tu leng pui bel ten February ni som pani atanga som pasari chung khan member som pakhat ten to in work camp in na an chunjom quarters sakna hi hun engemo chen atanga tan toni in manru khaila ka wanga chot lailok chu bel to pastor reverend lal choilova ho work camp te hian an sazawa rong hnoi chau mabak anita hunrem chang masabera ahon na nei tur ani ang quarters sakna tur atana thilpek petu te chunga dilzo kaushan chuan lom thu an soi ani February ni som pasari pathiani khan North Mizoram district in Sithianga rongbol tura ada evangelist Silerwa sanga rongbol nakal tlangin member thar pakhat kaushana senglu ani February ni som pathum ni laizan inkhom khan reng dil kaushana mithar paruk chung ko khat bel to pastor Silal thenglianan lomdu na aneya naw pali hlan ngal ani bok mithar lomlu zinga pani te chuan swangai damna baptist malal pa iswamingin an changhal ani North Mizoram try to the program North Mizoram District Superintendent Reverend Laltuang Juan February ni somni pakhat zirtop ni hian Chimtupui District ni o tlanga pastor biak thwama te chungin pathian choimoina an bot saya rongbawlna nein a fe chhuaka kar thar thorchan di February ni somni panga aizola alet le ang District Secretary Reverend Charpuya chuan February ni somni pali pathian ni hian sia sukbial LED conference le Golden Jubilee manpui turin azin chhuaka District LED shwai tu pathum President Unawnu UPC Romoi Secretary Unawnu Laldong Liani le Treasurer Unawnu Kela Rokimite Ankalbok District Missions Director Reverend Silal Thantuanga chuan February ni somni nilai ni khan Rashdali Missions felt to in azin chhuaka February ni somni pani inrin ni khan missionary support boy puin thenzola hun amang le bok Conference somna North Mizoram District Conference voice somruk pakwana chu Aizol Durtlang MC Hola February ni somni pariat atanga March ni thumchung hian nei tur ani a he conference a hian nangmal somna ni angche ti thupuya nein thushil tu pathia mi man tak tak ten thu an soyang conference kal tur hian tlangtin le moltina rinna a unaw te baka tharau lam tuin na thar du tu apyang te kalvek turin kan in som ani durtlang hi mun vot ani awangin conference kal tur ten thom nalum lam ken tur ani ole khatizong khatun tumatana North East India UPC kaushan rongbawlna Chanchin Thar kan thlir le ngai thakhau le theite ni e
St. John's Boarding School Kolasip Phongpuilang Day Scholar le Hosteler omhalna Nursery to Class 10 Quality Education nge puimon school ani wangin Spoken English kan ngai puimo hle Australia le USA lama saphauten en zirtir na pek chinani IT hi ngai puimo ani a Practical in class uluk takala pui chinani School compound zau chatak no pang infiam the na hun chale anwamani tin school no pang te excursion ne pui chinani a kumtin no pang te outing ne pui chin ani bokani lekha thiam tir mai hi school hian adu tolwa khotlang le ko shan ta na mi man tla ka cher chwa hi school thil tumlian ber pakhatani hostel no pang tan kumtin gospel camping abo se china no pang pu in na satkin pathian thuwa te le pathian tharawa te har tharna te andong chin school compound chunga hian in khom na tur biak in chatak po omngala Tharau lam rongbawlna le pathian thuwa in zirtir na hi school subject pui mo tak pakhat ani school a hian ifa te run da vela theito pinti sa le tharawa chan kan lo la pui don niam phone number 03837 221 505 943 615 8289